Hello guys, this is Ajay. Today we are going to see one more tutorial. This is tutorial number 7. Today we are going to see how to create a parcel from objects. For that we need to draw some CAD objects. First, I'll just draw a road here. This is a vertical road and this is a horizontal road which is creating intersection. I'm just using offset to create this 15-meter offset to this, and I'm going to extend this line to this another line so that there will be no gap. If there is a gap, this parcel will not be created. I'll just trim this line here. I'll create a plot here. First of all, I'll just stretch this a little bit so that we can we'll have a nice plot here, which will convert this into a parcel, civil 3D parcel. Okay, now this is pretty much done. So these are the two roads with this is the intersection, and this is a plot, and these are all drawn in simple AutoCAD Polyline. Now here in the parcels, I'll go and select create parcel from objects. As soon as I select that, it is asking me to select the lines or arcs. So we have already done that. So I'll just go ahead and select this CAD entities and say enter. After hitting enter, this dialog box will open which says create parcel from objects, which site it is situated, parcel style, and so on and so forth. I'll just say OK, and this particular CAD objects are now converted into a property. All right, now let's say if you want to divide this particular property into different sub parcels, that also we can do it from here. Okay, I'll just draw some lines within the plot. Okay, and again these are all CAD drawn polylines, which are 2D polylines. Okay, all right, now this property number 14, which is 23 from 86 acres of land is there. So we are going to divide it into 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 sub properties. Okay, so how to do this? Again the same thing. I'll go to the parcels, create parcel from objects, and again I'll just go and keep on selecting the CAD entities, and I'll say enter. Again this create parcel from objects dialog will open. We'll just keep everything okay, and just everything as it is, and just say okay, and that way we can say now this property is divided into 5 sub parcels. Okay, so this is property number 14, 18, 17, 15, and 16. So 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18, these are the parcels are created. Now when you select any of the text here, so this parcel will be highlighted, and in properties you can see the style, label, name, description, stuff like that. From here you can change the label style. Let's say we have to select the name and perimeter only, then this name area and perimeter will be shown. Like here it is shown area in meters square and square acres. And again, if you want to change this to just the parcel name, that also we can do. So this is just a parcel name. So that's it guys for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for further Civil 3D tutorials. Thank you.